most of the time I have always thought of my characters, the subject, the emotions, the conflict, and the style of the film. So when I fix up my whole story, construct my whole story, then I think of characterization. फिर जो उसमें फिट होता है. लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसी तकलीफ आ जाती है कि जिसके लिए जिसको आप चाहते हैं कि वो नहीं होता और उसके जगह दूसरा आदमी हो जाता है. तो इसी तरह से इसमें भी एक दो बदला बदली हुई. बट ये बात ज़रूरी थी कि भाई आपका एक्टर आपके कैरेक्टर में 100% फिट होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है जी. अदरवाइज मिस कास्टिंग से आप अपनी फिल्म को ख़राब कर लेते हैं. और अच्छी बात ये हुई कि जब पिक्चर आप ताल देखते हैं तो इसमें सारे कैरेक्टर्स लगता है. मानव लगता है, विक्रांत लगता है, मानसी लगती है. तो एक ये भी अच्छा हो गया. और किसी हम एक्सीडेंट से बच गए क्योंकि हम इसमें पहले किसी और को लेने वाले थे. तो जब वो बात ध्यान दीजिए. एनी क्वेश्चन यू वुड लाइक टू आस्क?
सर, रहमान साहब के लिए एक सवाल था कि रहमान साहब, दे ऑल हैव टोल्ड अस दैट हाउ यू ट्रबल्ड देम. प्लीज टेल अस हाउ दे ट्रबल्ड यू. व्हिच वाज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट सॉन्ग टू कंपोज इन ताल?
No, I think it's not trouble. It's just that, I mean, that's a little exaggerated the way they were saying.
He thinks hard working is trouble.
we did work in the afternoons also. We did work some, we did recording some songs in the afternoon. Not everything started at 11 o'clock at night. But I think creatively, I think we all face that. We all try to find a common point where both of us are satisfied. Sometimes I would listen to him and he'll tell me what, put this rhythm, put this chord. Then I'll do exactly, and 3 days later, I'm like, sorry, you do your thing. I wanted to feel. But he's so passionate. So
Yeah.
ultimately, you know, we are happy about this.
Right.
Yes, right.
Do we have some questions there? Anybody wants to ask a question? Or do we start the screening? But before we start the screening, यहाँ पे सुखीबाजी बैठे हुए हो और यहाँ पे लाइव रमता जोगी ना हो तो ये जाती हो जाएगी दोस्त, जाती हो जाएगी.
I don't sing before 10:30. I just know one thing about Mr. Rahman, Mr. Shivaji, and any genius. Then one cannot be the best, but one can be one of the best. It's true. And I am learning, and I also. He is a very cute. Basically, you know, everybody want to fight with him, and me is the first one because it's creative fight. He's the best. He is actually, during Tal, Dil Se, many other films, he's the one who launched me. He's my godfather.
Wow.
But I would like to ask you, sir, can I interfere?
Wow.
No, you don't interfere at all. You always
इधर
create.
एक गाना है हमारा, नहीं सामने अलग बात है. उसमें हरिहरन साहब ने गाना गाया है. लेकिन उसमें एक छोटी सी बात आप जब पिक्चर देखेंगे तो नोट करना. उसमें एक वर्ड आता है प्रियसी. एंड आई डू नॉट नो व्हाई रहमान chose that he should use his priyasi, his part what he sang, because it had a magic. So I would like to request him to sing only priyasi out there. Please big a clap.
You know, when Shivaji said, I want you to sing that, Rahman looked at me, ab bari hai beta abka. Because there's a breathing of more than 40 seconds. And I can't. It is basically the quality की वो phrase अच्छा है. That नहीं साथ कोई नहीं चलेगा माइक की कोई no problem. Something, no, it's same. Anyway, that is a very beautiful song composed by Mr. Rahman, Hariharan ji sang, and one line.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
And किसी चैनल पे on one television channel, Subhaji spoke about me that Sukhi, many times he spoke about me, Ramta Jogi. He sang in a very different way, Ramta Jogi. He sang it. Now on the stage, and now whenever I get opportunity to perform Ramta Jogi on the stage, I have to sing in many times, though maybe I don't want. Na Jaane Dil Vich Ki Aaya. One of the, and this is the song we recorded inside the hotel room. This is the first song we recorded on laptop.
In the morning he called me.
Yes.
He called me what time I have to come. But he didn't say what time. He said, Subhashji, hello. And he started singing. And after singing, he said, I'm sounding good, na? What?
Yes, I'm always cute.
Tere dil vich.
Yeah. So laptop,
What he was
the
singing?
first time he recorded this song, and I remember the entire song. Na jaane dil vich ki aaya, ek pal mein sadiyan ji aaya. Na jaane dil vich ki aaya, ek pal mein sadiyan ji aaya. Main pi aaya ja prem da pyala pi aaya. Main ramta jogi 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 jogi. Main ramta jogi 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 ramta jogi 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 jogi. Main ramta jogi मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया एक पल में सदियां जी आया ना जाने दिल विच की आया पल में सदियां जी आया पी आया मैं पी आया जब प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया मैं पी आया
Oh, your boy. Amazing.